Welcome back. Now our master layout is ready and we can now be able now to extend to another view. So there's a file inside the template you download called quotes details. Open that on your browser. And this is the quotes details view. So now we need to extend our master layout to this page. So what we'll do is let's create a new file inside the quotes directory. And I'm going to call it show.blade.php. Then let's go back to that template on your browser and then click on page source. Select all this code and copy and paste it on the show view. Save. Now the next thing is to extend the master to this layout. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all these parts all the way to the navigation. And then I'm going to extends the master, for which is inside the layouts directory. And then I'm going to start a new section. And the view name is content. And then I'm going to use this end section directive to end this section at the bottom. So we have to remove also this footer part and then end that section with that end section directive. Save. Now you cannot be able to view this view until we define a route for that. So let's go to the routes file and I'm going to duplicate this, and then it should be, the URL should be quotes/show, and then the method, we have to create that method on this controller class. So I'll call it as show. Save. You can also append the name of this route, which will be quotes.show. Now let's go to this controller class and define and create this method. So quotes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this. And get the show or the quotes details page, details view. That should be show. So it will return a get a view called show inside the quotes directory, and then this is the method. So save. And let's see now from the browser. So before you go to the browser, let's go to the index view and change this link. I'll just use the URL helper, URL, which is quotes.show. You can also use a route because we have already defined it. Route like that. Save. Now let's go to the browser and see whether you can be able now to get this. You can also use it to this other link. Save. Let's go to the browser. Refresh. And now if you hover over the mouse, this link, you'll see we have that route. So click on that. And now as you can see, we are on that view, the show view. So which means everything is working perfectly. And now we can be able now to extend or use this master template to any other view like we have done on this show view. So see you in the next lecture.